just dug my nail into it. Hey y'all, and welcome back to Cat's Corner, the corner of the internet where I had Cat's Madness. Today, I am going to be showing you this month's Crate Finds box. Now, if you do not know what Crate Finds is, it's a newer company. It sends out free monthly mailers, and all you need to do is pay shipping, which is less than $7. Unlike like a lot of mailers that have a reoccurring payment, it's like, oh no, I didn't want to do this month, but now I have to because it just took money on my account. It will not charge you. You get to choose whichever boxes you want, and you need to buy them individually. So for Crate Finds, they go on pre-sale a couple weeks before the boxes ship out, and then they will stay on sale until they sell out. If you like what you see in this video, then you can still buy this box. And if you are interested in them, I will leave them linked in the description down below. Go check them out. They are awesome. And let's get right into the box. Real quick before we start, ignore my voice because I am sick and I sound like crap. So, all of the makeup in this mailer is cruelty-free. And then in next month's mailer, it will be vegan and cruelty-free. So the first thing in the box is this little pot of glitter. It's like this pink glitter with like little goldy flecks in it, I think. I guess it's goldy, something like that. That's not even a word. Anyway. So it's cosmetic glitter, so you can put it on your eyes for like a little pop of shimmer to your eye look. You can put it on your face, so you can put it like in your highlight area. You could put it in your hair to look like really cool for festivals, or you could put it on your lips to add just a little something to your lipstick. Yeah, I like loose glitter. It's really cool. In your box, you will receive one lip color. So the one I'm currently wearing is this purple one. And so you will receive one lip color. You will receive either purple, this orangey gold color, this pink color, or this blue teal green kind of color. And I'm currently wearing the purple one. I will insert the hand and lip swatches of these colors real quick right now. So this is the purple gloss. This is the pink gloss. As you can see, they're just very sheer, subtle colors. So this is the orangey gold color. And this is the green. It's not picking up on camera, but this one is seriously giving me mermaid vibes. I love it. When I put on the purple one, I like how it looks. I like that it looks like a gloss, but it feels more like a liquid lipstick. So it doesn't feel like gooey and sticky. Only thing is, I do not like how these smell. That is one thing about me. I love for my lip products to smell good, and these do not. Like the smell faded after I put it on because I've only had this on for a couple minutes and I can't smell it anymore, but it's just that initial, I don't like how these smell things. So next in the box you'll receive one eyeshadow. It'll be like this little loose pan. It's like a little loose pan that you can stick into a Z palette, like this. So these are the shades down here. And one thing about these eyeshadows is the pan is not, the kind of metal the pan is made of, it is not attracted to a magnet. So a lot of Z palettes come with these little sticky circle things. This is one I've stuck onto a different eyeshadow. And so I just stuck a couple of those onto the bottom of these eyeshadows, and they will stick in just fine after that. But the pan itself is not magnetic. So you'll receive one of these 4 colors, and these shades names were actually inspired by the Pain vs. Beauty challenge on the Crate Find Squad, which if you have not seen the video I did for that, I will link that down in the description. This purpley blue color is named, what's it named? It's named Afraid. This pink shade is called Shame. This purple is called Disturbed. And then the one I dug my nail into by accident is called Manic. You will receive one of those 4 shades. You will receive one of these diamond silicone sponges, either in pink or purple. So it's just a little sparkly diamond. It's a silicone sponge, so it's meant to blend in your foundation. So it's meant to blend in your foundation without absorbing it into any. So it's just like a blending sponge. It's just like this little blendy sponge, except it's silicone, so it won't absorb any of the foundation. And it's supposed to just blend your makeup, but I tried it right before this video for the makeup I'm wearing now, and I've never tried a silicone sponge before, but I do not like silicone sponges, apparently, because personally I don't think it really did much, and I needed to go back in with a brush and redo it. Personally, I would not use these as a silicone sponge, but I like how squishy they are, so I think I'm going to use them as a stress diamond thing, because honestly, that's automatically what my mind went to when I first saw the picture for it. If you want to buy this box, it is a free mailer. You just need to pay less than $7 shipping, and you will receive 1 lipstick, 1 pot of glitter, and this is actually a pretty good sized pot of glitter. It will last you a rather long time, 1 silicone diamond sponge, and 1 eyeshadow. Also buy the deluxe mailer, which is around $21 for this mailer, and it will include all 4 lip glosses, a jar of glitter, both silicone blending sponges, and all 4 eyeshadows. So that is all. Thank you all for watching this video. If you are interested in crate finds, I will leave the link in the description, and I will see you all next time. Bye!